This Swenson Ecuyer Realty property video is presented by Olga Grant. This fully renovated home in highly desirable Palmetto Bay sits on a large corner lot. Spacious split floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. New impact windows and doors, new AC unit, 2022, new tankless water heater, 2023, new AC ducts, new energy-saving insulation, modern stainless steel kitchen appliances, custom European frameless kitchen cabinets, quartz countertops, extra-large kitchen island, European plank porcelain tile throughout, electric blinds and all-new window treatments, security camera system, screened and covered patio with pool, 2.5-car garage, new sprinkler system, basketball court and room for a boat. This home features plenty of natural light streaming in through large windows, a culinary lover's kitchen, and a dream patio perfect for entertaining. For more information, review the details below or contact Olga Grant at 786-647-8076.